I sure hope the fish are keeping warm in this cold winter. Oh no, what happened to this fish? The water must be too cold. I hope a heater will help. I think I will mount it behind this decor right here so it can hide the heater unit. And I'm gonna submerge it. Let's go ahead and take the temperature of the water with this thermometer. See what temperature the surface is. 63.4. Yeah, so about 63 degrees. And I read that for dwarf gourami, it's supposed to be at 72 to 82 degrees. So we're talking about like 9 degrees below its natural habitat. Okay, see how that turned green? It looks like it took right around 21 minutes to heat up 5.5 degrees. All right, so I notice it fluctuates a little bit, but that's normal with all heating elements. So if you are looking for a large capacity aquarium heater to heat up your freshwater fish or saltwater fish, this would be the perfect heater to keep your fish happy and lively.